Why do 90% of successful YouTubers swear by these three tools? Stick around to find out. First up, Google Trends. This powerful tool helps you identify trending topics and keywords that people are searching for right now. Just type in a keyword related to your niche and voila, you've got a goldmine of content ideas that are sure to attract viewers. Next, let's talk ChatGPT. This AI wizard can generate endless video ideas, write scripts, and even help you craft engaging intros and outros. Simply feed it a trending topic from Google Trends and watch the magic happen. Finally, meet InVideo.ai. With this tool, you can transform your scripts into high-quality videos in no time. Choose from a library of professional visuals, animations, and editing options to make your content pop. Combine these three tools and you're on the fast track to optimizing your content creation process. Boost engagement, upload consistently, and watch your ad revenue soar. So what are you waiting for? Start using Google Trends, ChatGPT, and InVideo.ai today and take your YouTube game to the next level.